Human, hear my tale of a frightful jump I must unveil. From atop the shelf, I took flight, and landed on you in the dead of night. Your startled face, oh how it froze! In terror, you stood, from head to toes. Forgive me, human, for this scare. I promise, next time, I'll beware. I'll hunt a mouse, swift as can be, and lay it at your feet. You'll see, a token of my feline love, to mend the fear I've caused thereof. So let's forget this frightful leap, and cuddle close in. Slumber deep, for I'm your cat, your faithful friend, with mischief and love without an end.